A Chinese mall, so a sort of second-hand mall. What is it? Yeah, well, whatever you can say about it. These very perfect. Wow. You see? Great.
This one, you first.
Oh, sorry, you first. Sorry, you're on it. You're on it. Okay, you're fully on it. Another boss himself, and I want to
See this
the
one.
microscope. Yeah, I find that beautiful. You understand that.
These are the tools. You have one with this tools.
And where's my thingy?
Your phone is already here.
Oh, right. Okay. Oh, he's already working on it. Yeah,
I'm
great.
working on it now.
Yeah. I see this is already a part. Yeah. Oh, yes, I see. Oh, that is subtle work. Yeah. I would not even dare to do that, indeed. I see that.
It's quite a complicated.
Yeah, this is complicated. Yeah.
Seriously.
Yes.
Too confident also do that.
Yeah.
We might, a slight mistake can damage your LCD.
Yes.
And then you're gonna blame us, or whom you're gonna blame?
For sure. Yeah,
oh
yeah.
No, don't please.
It's always you who did it, huh? Yeah.
You have to have faith on us.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Trust us for that.